Hi, and welcome back to QuizzyQuest. Can you answer all questions correctly? Please subscribe and like to support the channel. What is the primary purpose of integral calculus? Is it A, find areas under curves, B, solve differential equations, or C, calculate limits? It is A, find areas under curves. What was the primary cause of the American Civil War? Is it A, land disputes, B, taxation, or C, slavery? It is C, slavery. What is value added in economics? Is it A, gross profit, B, price paid, or C, extra income? It is A, gross profit. What is a triggered send campaign? Is it A, email list, B, direct marketing, or C, automated mailing? It is C, automated mailing. What is the primary function of a Turing machine in computer science? Is it A, store data, B, simulate algorithms, or C, encrypt information? It is B, simulate algorithms. What does the Schrödinger equation primarily describe in quantum mechanics? Is it A, wave function behavior, B, classical motion, or C, thermodynamic properties? It is A, wave function behavior. In which Japanese city is the Gion Matsuri festival held annually? Is it A, Kyoto, B, Tokyo, or C, Osaka? It is A, Kyoto. What is a common characteristic of invasive species? Is it A, rapid reproduction, B, slow growth, or C, native habitat? It is A, rapid reproduction. What year was the Magna Carta signed? Is it A, 1215, B, 1066, or C, 1492? It is A, 1215. What date is celebrated as Independence Day in the United States? Is it A, September 11th, B, August 15th, or C, July 4th? It is C, July 4th. Which law of motion is Isaac Newton most famous for formulating? Is it A, law of conservation of mass, B, law of universal gravitation, or C, Newton's first law? It is C, Newton's first law. What type of weather is commonly associated with cumulonimbus clouds? Is it A, thunderstorms, B, clear skies, or C, snow showers? It is A, thunderstorms. What is the primary role of ocean gyres in climate regulation? Is it A, redistributing heat, B, generating tides, or C, producing oxygen? It is A, redistributing heat. Which Ed Sheeran song features the lyrics, "I'm in love with the shape of you"? Is it A, Shape of You, B, Perfect, or C, Castle on the Hill? It is A, Shape of You. What position did Saddam Hussein hold in Iraq from 1979 until 2003? Is it A, Prime Minister, B, General, or C, President? It is C, President. Which significant legal code was established during Napoleon Bonaparte's rule in France? Is it A, Hammurabi Code, B, Justinian Code, or C, Napoleonic Code? It is C, Napoleonic Code. What does a yield curve typically illustrate in finance? Is it A, currency exchange rates, B, stock prices, or C, interest rates over time? It is C, interest rates over time. What type of service does GitHub primarily provide for developers? Is it A, code hosting, B, database management, or C, cloud storage? It is A, code hosting. What is the primary objective of the indigenous rights movement? Is it A, economic growth, B, land sovereignty, or C, political parties? It is B, land sovereignty. Which character is known as the leader of the group in the early seasons of The Walking Dead? Is it A, Glenn Rhee, B, Daryl Dixon, or C, Rick Grimes? It is C, Rick Grimes. What is methanol commonly used as a fuel in racing cars? Is it A, bleach, B, fuel, or C, plastic? It is B, fuel. What type of software does Parker Conrad's company Rippling specialize in? Is it A, graphic design tool, B, e-commerce platform, or C, HR software? It is C, HR software. What type of compound is glycerol? Is it A, sugar, B, acid, or C, alcohol? It is C, alcohol. What is the primary function of modulation in telecommunications? Is it A, signal variation, B, data encryption, or C, error correction? It is A, signal variation. Which American singer is known for the hit song All of Me? Is it A, John Mayer, B, John Legend, or C, Justin Timberlake? It is B, John Legend. What is the primary food source that nectivorous animals primarily consume? Is it A, fruits, B, nectar, or C, seeds? It is B, nectar. What is the traditional significance of Uluru to the Anangu people of Australia? Is it A, tourist attraction, B, sacred site, or C, mining location? It is B, sacred site. What is the primary purpose of a refrigerator in a household? Is it A, cook food, B, keep food cold, or C, wash dishes? It is B, keep food cold. What is the capital city of Guatemala? Is it A, Guatemala City, B, Antigua, or C, Quetzaltenango? It is A, Guatemala City. What is the primary use of an ultrasound machine in medicine? Is it A, imaging organs, B, blood testing, or C, X-ray scanning? It is A, imaging organs. What type of product is Rolex primarily known for manufacturing? Is it A, sunglasses, B, jewelry, or C, watches? It is C, watches. What type of activity tracking does Strava primarily focus on? Is it A, running, B, cooking, or C, gardening? It is A, running. What artistic movement is Jean-Michel Basquiat most associated with? Is it A, surrealism, B, neo-expressionism, or C, cubism? It is B, neo-expressionism. What is the title of the novel written by Harriet Beecher Stowe that depicted the harsh realities of slavery? Is it A, The Scarlet Letter, B, Uncle Tom's Cabin, or C, Little Women? It is B, Uncle Tom's Cabin. What is the name of the famous cathedral located in Moscow, known for its colorful onion domes? Is it A, Christ the Savior Cathedral, B, St. Basil's Cathedral, or C, Kazan Cathedral? It is B, St. Basil's Cathedral. What technology does a virtual reality headset primarily use to create immersive experiences? Is it A, holograms, B, augmented reality, or C, 3D visuals? It is C, 3D visuals. What is the primary function of a red blood cell in the human body? Is it A, blood clotting, B, oxygen transport, or C, immune response? It is B, oxygen transport. Which messaging app co-founded by Jan Koum was acquired by Facebook? Is it A, WhatsApp, B, Viber, or C, Snapchat? It is A, WhatsApp. What is the process by which plants make their own food using sunlight? Is it A, photosynthesis, B, respiration, or C, germination? It is A, photosynthesis. What is the primary color of bloodstone, a type of chalcedony? Is it A, red, B, blue, or C, dark green? It is C, dark green. What is natural regeneration in ecology? Is it A, human intervention, B, genetic modification, or C, self-healing process? It is C, self-healing process. What is the primary objective in the Pokemon trading card game? Is it A, collect rare cards, B, defeat the opponent's Pokemon, or C, evolve Pokemon? It is B, defeat the opponent's Pokemon. What position does Laurentino Cortizo hold in Panama? Is it A, minister, B, president, or C, ambassador? It is B, president. What phenomenon is primarily responsible for the formation of orographic clouds? Is it A, urban areas, B, ocean currents, or C, mountain ranges? It is C, mountain ranges. What is the primary role of primary producers in an ecosystem? Is it A, consume herbivores, B, decompose organic material, or C, produce energy through photosynthesis? It is C, produce energy through photosynthesis. What natural disaster famously destroyed the ancient city of Pompeii in Italy? Is it A, flood, B, earthquake, or C, volcanic eruption? It is C, volcanic eruption. What affects protein stability? Is it A, temperature, B, pH levels, or C, gravity? It is A, temperature. What is the primary reason the Great Barrier Reef is famous worldwide? Is it A, tallest mountain range, B, deepest ocean trench, or C, largest coral reef system? It is C, largest coral reef system. In which city is the Brandenburg Gate located? Is it A, Munich, B, Berlin, or C, Frankfurt? It is B, Berlin. What mythical creature is a griffin known to be part of in its anatomy? Is it A, lion, B, eagle, or C, dragon? It is A, lion. If you enjoyed our quiz, feel free to donate via Super Thanks. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and stay tuned for more exciting quizzes. See you next time on QuizzyQuest.